Now, Allison, when we left off, you were telling me that you figured that, I know 3 goes into 10 3 times, right? Okay. What were you thinking? Where should we go from there?
So 3 goes into 3 times, that's 3.
Yeah.
That equals 9, so you break that down a little bit.
Uh-huh.
There's not quite a full another 3.
Yeah.
$2 short. So I would say I was going to say 3 hours and $3.50.
$3.50. You know what? That happens to be exactly right. And you know what you can think about? Here's a way you can do it mentally. You know that it doesn't go into it 4 times. That would be $12. So you say, okay, if I get paid $3 an hour, that would be $9, right? But I got another $1.50. So can I divide that $1.50 by 3? Sure, 50 cents. So it's $3.50. That's a good mental way to do it. You can always do it by hand too. Luke?
Those people pay more.
So the Saturdays pay you more than the Sundays,
That makes sense.
right? Do you think? It may be later hours on Saturday.
And Saturday, kids.
Maybe it's different for each person.
Kids go cray-cray on Saturday? Maybe, because they don't have school the next day. All right, let's look at the next one. Let's look at this next one. Don't go cray-cray. That would be inappropriate. All right. Okay. Now, let me see something. Hang on. Oh, good. Are these vocab words? No. No. Nice question, though, Cedar. Okay, folks, here we go. Arnold and Jenna went mountain biking on some trails in their town. That sounds like fun. I've been mountain biking once, and literally, mountain biking in the mountains, where they first did mountain biking in the Marin Headlands in San Francisco. And it was fun. It was a lot of fun. It can be crazy. I've seen people go over the side. Oh, gone. Kind of crazy. I mean, it was fun, but it was pretty crazy. They were okay. Based on the information below, which of them rode at a faster pace? Okay, well, I need you, Lily, to help me set up the first one. Let's set up Arnold. Let's set up his rate, and then we'll find his unit rate. Okay, so what's the rate? 23 miles in 4 hours. Good. Okay, so he went 23 miles in 4 hours. Now Jenna, not our Jenna, another Jenna.
Like not spelled like
It is spelled differently. It's spelled differently. It is Jenna, but it's spelled differently.
Are you
Gina
sure?
would be G-I-N-A. Casey, can you set up the rate for Jenna? 16 miles in 3.5 hours. We generally put time on the bottom anytime it's in a rate. Now, what do I need to do to find out what Arnold's pace was? What do I need to do? What's his unit rate? What is his unit rate? We want the bottom to be 1. What do I need to do, Luke?
23 divided by 4.
Use your calculator that's in front of you. Will you tell me? Raise your hand. First one hand I see up is going to tell me what 23 divided by 4 is, and that is Peyton Broom.
5.75.
5.75 miles
5.25.
per hour.
Whoa.
Now, what is the pace for Jenna? Bennett?
4.57142979.
And it ends at 1 there?
Yeah.
Okay. Over 1 hour. Now, I want to talk about this for just a moment, just some calculator knowledge. Okay? Look at this. 571,428. 571. What do you think would come behind that 1 if the calculator kept going, Allison?
4.28.
Okay, 428. So this part is repeating. Okay? Now, I'm going to let us round it to just 4.57 because that makes a little more sense. Okay? 4.57 miles per hour. I don't believe this is true, but who is going faster, Jenna or Arnold? I'm sorry? Arnold was going 5.75 miles per hour. Jenna was going 4.57 miles per hour.
And Jenna went less.
And she didn't go for as long, that's true. But she may have been going uphill or something. All right? Okay, you guys are done. You're ready to go.